Through this entire ordeal,
Speak loudly, loudly. Speak loudly.
through this en-
You go that just like. Okay? సరిపోతుందా? ఓకేనా?
no, no.
Voice base.
Whatever.
Loudspeaker.
Okay. Through this entire ordeal that I was pushed into, I've come to realize Chandrasekhar Babu sir is a man of exceptional character and ethics. Under his able governance, his able men took on the onus of rescuing me and my innocent family also from a disgraceful situation that we were thrown into. I'll be eternally grateful to Rajshekhar Babu sir and Shravanti ma'am for being so infinitely patient with us. And Rajshekhar is the name, right? Rajshekhar, Commissioner
రాజశేఖర్ బాబు.
um, Rajshekhar Babu sir has assured us that this is a false case and my entire innocent family will be served due justice, which is what we deserve. But apparently we see, dogs are still barking. What are all these conspiracy theory of honey trap and all that is floating around? I mean, why is this complainant, Vidyasagar, why is he even smearing reputed names and dragging them, pulling them into all of this smear campaign? He's using so many reputed names just to, this honey trap conspiracy theory. A particular name that is being floated a lot, Malav Dani. Facts. I have met this man through an arranged marriage setup where he showed interest in taking forward the marriage proposal, an arranged marriage setup. There was never any criminal complaint filed by me against him or him against me. Absolutely zero involvement of money. What is all this? Why is his name being smeared and my name being smeared everywhere? Apparently, I read a media report that the two people that he alleged I tried to sell his land to, those people have themselves complained against Vidyasagar that he misused their Aadhaar cards that were given to him, and they have absolutely zero involvement in the alleged land deal because there is no land deal. So this Vidyasagar has misused their Aadhaar cards. He has misused my Aadhaar card, forged my Aadhaar card, and circulating them on the internet, the fudged copies with the fudged birth dates, and he has apparently forced that document, that alleged document. I think very severe action should be taken against him and the erring police officials. The entire motive of all of this was to shut the Bombay case. So everything's, I think, pretty clear now. But the last thing would be like justice would be served when it's done expeditedly, so expeditiously. So that's all I'm praying and urging for. Thank you all the people of Andhra Pradesh for supporting me. Thank you media for bringing this out. Thank you very much.
मैम मुंबई से तुम्हारा लिफ्ट करने का कितना आदमी आ गए?
हमें भी नहीं पता।
From?
आपको वहाँ से यहाँ
Yeah, my family is come.
How many people have picked you up?
Acha, okay.
Policemen.
आपको वहाँ कैसे ट्रैप कर
Yeah, a team of like some 10-15 police officials arrived in luxury vehicles that they had booked from some hotel. Driver also that booked from some hotel. I don't know where they got that money from is very clear. Yeah, that was it.
नाम बोलते ना ऑफिसर
I think what's appearing to me was this entire thing was orchestrated under the guidance of Mr. Kanti Rana, and it has come because this was obviously a high level
हाई लेवल
Sharad.
एसआई सी क्या
happening, and what has come to my knowledge, the facts are to be verified, that's a matter of investigation, but uh, Vishal Gunni sir, I think, was deputed in Bombay to collect my antecedents, and say the name, and there was an intelligence DG that I came to know about, but the facts are to be verified through investigation.
Do you think is there any political conspiracy in this issue, ma'am? Entire issue?
There is a very big conspiracy with the aim of shutting the Bombay case, where I was the complainant. That's a political or not, that remains to be seen.
Have you met any political mix here at Vijayawada, ma'am? Can you name?
I believe they are all of them, Anita ma'am, Chandrababu Naidu sir, they are supporting this case and bringing out the truth out. I have not yet had an opportunity to meet any of them.
Thank you.
ठीक है